how to add products to Godaddy website. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products to Godaddy website. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Godaddy, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Godaddy, it is a prominent American company specializing in internet domain registration, web hosting, and online marketing services, in which Godaddy's mission extends beyond merely selling domain names. It aims to empower entrepreneurs and small businesses by providing a comprehensive suite of tools and resources designed to facilitate growth and enhance online presence. And this includes everything from website building and e-commerce solutions to marketing advice and customer support through its dedicated Godaddy guides. And now to create an account on Godaddy, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign in button on the top right corner. And after signing in, you'll be directed in here, and it will show you what it looks like. And as you can see in here, I have now successfully signed in on my account. And to start adding a products on our website, kind of click your profile icon on the top right corner, and click my products button under my account. And upon clicking on it, we'll automatically be directed on this page right here. And you should see here the list of your products that has been created and also the website in here. But firstly, you could also start creating your new website if you want to by clicking set up free website button on the top right corner. And upon clicking on it, from here just choose sell with online store in here and click continue button to proceed. And also enter what kind of business do you want or do you have. So I'm going to enter here, for example, women's clothing. Then click the continue button, and after that just simply enter here the name of your store or your business. So as you can see, I'm just going to enter here Femin Shop, and after that, from here the next thing that you need to do is to simply enter here the description of your business. Or you could also skip this part if you want to. Now moving on, after that, you'll now be able to see here that your website is now being created. So all you need to do is wait for it to load to be fully created. And now from here, as you can see, we're now currently under the editor section of this Godaddy website. And it will show you in this pop-up window some of the options that you could also start adding on your website before we start customizing it. And given on this plan option, I'm going to choose to continue for free. Now again, on this pop-up window, just simply choose any kind of section do you want to include in your website. And after that, just click the continue to my site button to proceed. And now from here, as you can see, we're now currently on this page. And to start adding or creating a product in here, just proceed by simply clicking on the left side panel under this website section in here. And it will show us in here the options such as home, shop, privacy policy, and terms and conditions. And you could also navigate this theme and settings option if you want to. But to start adding a product in here, just proceed by clicking the shop option. Or alternatively, if you want to, you could simply click the shortcuts right here under my store or store in here. By clicking on it, you can now start adding a products by clicking add products under this online store in here. And after clicking on it, we'll now be able to be directed on this pop-up window, and it will show us how we can start uploading or adding our own products in here. So the first thing that we need to do is simply choose the media files from our computer, or you could also use some other free images in here that is offered under this stock media, or you could also use the search bar to search for a specific kind of image. And as you can see, I just searched dress and it will show us the result. And by clicking on any of these images, just scroll down and click the insert to proceed. After clicking the insert button, you'll now be able to see here that the image is now been added. Now proceed by adding the product name of this dress in here. For example, I'm going to enter here formal dress. Then below, you simply fill out all of this required information including this price, or even add a sale price in here if you want to. Now moving on under this category, you can simply enter here a category if you want to, such as the description of it, but that is just only an optional. Moving on, you could also choose a tax category. We have here digital product, standard, and even non-taxable. Then below here, make sure to turn on this visible on my store in order for the product to see on your store. Moving on to this description, you could also use your AI to create a suggested description for you, in which you could also use or choose what kind of sound, such as to make it formal, informal, more professional, on any tone that you prefer, and even the length of it. And after that, just click the insert button to be inserted. Now moving on under this inventory and options, you could also track your inventory by entering here the number of quantity of this product, and even demo the below inventory in here. You'd also allow bulk order if you want to, if the quantity reaches to 0, and even mark as limited edition on store. Now moving on below here under options, you could also create option if you want to, by simply entering here the option name, the display as, if you're drop down, and even the choice of it. And aside from that, you can add add-ons in here, or additional kind of option or product that can buyers purchase in here upon purchasing this kind of dress. For example, I'm going to enter name tag, and for the type of it, I'm going to choose buyers can enter custom text. And below, you could also add here an instruction for the customer to follow. For example, I'm going to enter here, enter the name you want to input within the dress. Then below, you could also choose the character limit in here and also the charge of it. So for example, for this name tag, I'm going to charge 200 pesos. And if you're now done, just proceed by going to the shipping options, where you also need to enter the weight of your products in kilogram and also the dimension, such as the length of it, width, and even the height of it in centimeter. So make sure to don't forget to fill out all of this required information, since it is important for the customer to see what kind of product are they trying to purchase. Now below, to determine the shipping cost, you could also use calculate using shipping methods, or items always ship for free, or even specify a shipping fee in here for this item. But if you're now done, just click the save button to proceed. And after saving it, you can now proceed going back on this page, and it will show you that the dress has now been added as one of your products in here. And you can also start customizing on the right side below your whole website. But to publish it, just click the publish button on the top left corner. And after successfully publishing your website in here, you'll now be able to start visiting it or see the preview of what it looks like when a customer tries to purchase or visit your website and purchase the dress in here. But if you go on the left side panel, from here you could also navigate some other options. Aside from the setting options that we can navigate on this page, we can click this manage your store button right here, and after that, we will now be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show us that we could also start navigating, such as again to add another product if you want to link your payment methods, shipping, delivery, and pickup, that we could also set up in here. However, to check the list of your products, you can simply go on this left side panel and click under this store, simply click the products option in here. And upon doing so, you will now be able to be directed on this page, in which it will show you the list of your products that has been added to this website. You could also duplicate this part if you want to. And from here, all you need to do is to simply do the same process, which is customizing all of the information required to fill out in here. But now, as you can see, we have now successfully add or create a product on this Godaddy website. So overall, that is just basically how you can add products to Godaddy website. Thank you.